Hey, I'm Mack, lead installer from Semper Solaris. Today we're here in Escondido and we're doing a full system changeout. So this is actually a customer that got their solar from us, plus the Tesla Powerwall as well. And the old AC unit here, it was just a little inefficient. It's also running an older type of refrigerant. Typically a unit lasts about 12 to 15 years. That's the national average. So you should definitely look into upgrading it, especially when you notice your unit running longer to heat up your house or cool down your house, and if your energy bills are high. When we first show up to the home, first order of business is, we protect your floors. We cover everything up, make sure, we're not tracking dirt inside the home, we're not getting dust on your furniture. For the demoing process, we're usually just taking out your old furnace, your coil, your condenser. At the same time, we're sealing everything up. For the installation process, we start with the condenser. From there, we clean out all our piping, making sure that the refrigerant is going to work efficiently. And then that point on, we replace all the electrical that ties into the condenser. Then we work our way up to the attic. When we're in the attic, we hook up our furnace, our coil, and then from that point on, we hook up all our ducts to it. We also installed a zoning system. We have two separate zones, one for upstairs, one for downstairs. You're gonna be able to control downstairs and upstairs separately. Wi-Fi thermostat is pretty cool. You can set your thermostat on your way home. You can control your upstairs and your downstairs straight from your phone. With the existing solar and battery storage from Semper Solaris and the new HVAC system that's highly efficient, the customers will definitely see a savings in their utility bill.